That away, that's racing away, that's going to be four. That's a beauty, that's a ripper. Beautifully played, beat backward point and third man. Bad delivery, but great shot. 4 runs off 5 balls. He's got to go for it. Flex it down to fine leg for single. O'Donnell on strike. A leg by. 3 to win. Close. It's got in. He's come. Oh, what a finish. Imran gets Simon O'Donnell LBW with 3 runs for victory. The end of a fine innings. 3 balls to be bowled. 3 runs, and Carl Rackham will make his way to the wicket. What a finish. What a match.
Carl doesn't want to go. He's getting advice from all quarters.
Fine innings from Simon O'Donnell, out for 39. In the final over, taking his time with the field place, and England slowed the game down. Caught Simon O'Donnell hitting across the line, judged LBW for 39. Imran Khan to Carl Rackham. Swing and a miss. Oh, the pressure mounts. Wasn't a good delivery.
Wasn't a good shot.
Well, the style was there, but wasn't any contact. In comes Imran Khan. Bowled in! Wow, what a finish. Rackham and clean bowled by Imran. 1 ball to be bowled. 2 runs for victory, and it's going to be the veteran Terry Alderman to face the music. What a finish. As Alderman takes guard. Indicard Alam, the Pakistan manager. He's bringing his fieldsman in a couple of places at deep mid wicket.
Where is Javed?
Oh, the 12th man, Shoaib Mohammed's coming out on the field. There was a message, he's been sent back. That's all happening at the Sydney Cricket Ground. And there's nobody at mid wicket. The last delivery from Imran to Terry Alderman. And he's missed it. So it's all over. Great victory for Pakistan. A real quick hang on by 2 runs.